Hi friends, welcome to #me. So good to see you after a long time. So in continuation of our design pattern in Java series, today I'm going to do a new video on builder design pattern in Java. So it's again a creational design pattern in Java. So let's go for it. So by the definition, it suggests that builder design pattern, it's design pattern which is creational type. It's a creational pattern, and it's used to create complex objects in Java. Basically, design pattern which is creational used to create complex objects in Java, which are not possible using the normal constructor. So it using the builder design pattern, it reduces the overhead of managing overloading the complex constructor. Like there will be 5 parameters, 10 parameters, n number of parameters. So creating using builder design pattern is far more easy to create such a complex object. So basically, you have to the prerequisite of creating a builder design pattern is just you need to create a Pojo class. With its attributes. Secondly, you need to create a static builder class. The importance of static builder class is that it will contain the build method. Which is used to construct the complex object using the build method, and you can demonstrate using a like a main demo class. Yeah, so only 3 things you can use it to while creating a builder design pattern, and you can create a project class, static builder class, main demo class, and so the advantage of this is that it provides immutability. So with the help of build method, it is builder design pattern provides immutability. So that is one important factor. Then it removes the inconsistent state of objects. So from persistent to transient to while convergent, so it removes basically with the help of builder design pattern. And so these are like some of immutability, inconsistency are removed, inconsistent states are removed with builder design pattern. And some examples of builder design pattern are like one is like examples. If you will like string builder, as you might be aware in Java, it's an example of builder pattern. So it is basically non-synchronized. So while you are not concerned with the threads that you can use the string builder, and it provides some method with the string object to and using string builder you can achieve the use the advantage of builder design pattern. Also, in recent years, Lombok has provided its own builder, Lombok builder. So, and also some Java NIO classes are having their own builder pattern. So like these are some standard examples of implementation of builder design pattern in Java. So this video was all about the introduction of build design pattern in Java. So how it can be created, what's its definition, and what are the standard examples of it, and what is the advantage you can achieve with build design pattern. So that's all in this for this video. Stay tuned for more, and do keeping subscribing, liking to #TechieMit, more to be on standard design pattern and other videos. Stay tuned and bye for now.